so no and some my coach adama the English FA no mame mfanto so wura ye fa no say Anthony Barry ono and a ben assistant coach and some our English FA omo dwumade no mo atitukel aye head coach and Anthony Barry and some my assistant coach ebiem and some my goalkeeper trainer no ye fa no aye Henrique Hilario okay no e maybe ye twam no so abotuma owura fa no say Hilario ono and a be kwakwa ni a ye can say part time we and some my goalkeeping coach ama England woman national team na chasane dia no anya full time and omo German na momo no and some my part timer and some na betumi akọ ajama owura no ebiem and some my say Chelsea video analyst no report am say kan so no and some na be kwakọ owura ye fa no say Thomas Tuchel answer ya national assignment ya na dwumadi across our club SCC and it is akobasa bia England kwakọ bola na Chelsea owura fa no say Hilario no wano some abekobi ebiem anasem owura fa no say ono ya video analyst ama Chelsea no wano some abekobi ana Chelsea womo goalkeeper coach ya fa no say Hilario also aba join and nam aye part time dwumadi wano some abetumi adie na Jameson kan say Orano, woman, a year, 1 year, 8 months, not just say, and as 18 months at Juma, 1 year, 6 months, and Orano, and some Abaya Natchez automatically, the contract in Aberani, and some Maria Kwakosi, Yamia Duma, and no 2026, I woke up, no, not Jamaican can say, I year 6 million euros a season, and Ora Father say, I answer Tucano, one of some Abanya, not Juba Conas answer football, Woko Club Cider, your fun season, national side and a year and a year 6 million euros a year and our reference a Tuchel and some abaje were 6 months in a kawa not just a 3 million arabako and a year 9 million euros our your father Thomas Tuchel Titi and some Sabet Miaka Famiko a year Wembley what him say Wembley and then woman like woman swat the canos almost screen or Sharaka projector at Yamawa not just a Wembley and Yamatasa Pema a Buakwa El Capitano Masa. Watch out what terror of Pedro. Why don't you make was mentioned? Now the terrorists took on here and Team Orano. Yes, I'm projecting Dino and some projecting pictures and some others also. I know and Edia dances so raw. Your father San Thomas took on a Jumadiano. Woman some at the Amanachas and some Maya Wembley and a Jumadinano and no also about to took or say you want to just on one castle and some others are your proud Sunday. Woman some at England, Domination Team Jumadiano and some other man no. What be your Jumama Chelsea? What would Johnny Craman and on a stone? No, I think I said. Bona yabo and some our England what does some others are born our connection and today I just want the national team Jumadi at Jamano not just an and some others say why are you privileged can see at Jamano as I said you will be on Yakwanyano and some other coach England or national team now one and it's England or personal one our special team and what almost our talented group what them so no also by Yachumano what them so your first Roberto Martinez ayo coach and some Adama Portugal Enra Wabra Cobaso board draw and also can be added for Thomas Tuchel now Roberto Martinez I say you want to just say on share that money time you may cross limum say I'm possibly a Jumadiano and some other official not send you the English job Amora your father said Thomas Tuchel dia one our GDS answer what him say coach way any Majuma Payin chase my Portugal woman team coach I can't and your father just appointed England team coach
England is a wonderful coach. He's someone that has won the Champions League. He knows the Premier League inside out. So I think he's someone that is going to bring a fantastic level to carry on to what Gareth Southgate's done, that I said many times. He did an amazing job with England, and I think Thomas, if he's official, he can do a great job too.
Yes, not just a dinner about official quantity or GD. So red fans out Thomas Tuchel bet me up Jumana and no media free a Portugal coach and as well. And so I did Bamanoka said you can say Man City Bobo Kron on say woman say yes remarried for no woman mother so dada Quadana Nempo woman some other far a Rodri and so Teneco now Jamaican is a Man City for say I did be also and it just a symbiosis Quadana your father said Rodri catch trying to be ano woman some number so ye said be akotano and so bet me extended a contract no at Amabobokua ye fan Man City and no aye one ebm and some aye Bobokua ye fan some Man City Okasan and say Besamba yes akotanda ye fan Ellen Haaland ye be discuss say Bonsa Ababuano and I say Bobo Kevin sa Real Madrid mu and I was walk omo ya way say Ellen Haaland am for 3 years pass no what taking a decision na decision about na take any say no abaso to some our Spain and na mama for who say England here e ken kwa masamulik no e cameras and e twa man ye fe ana chesa mo kasa into attraction and wom na mom ye kema bia ye popo no dia enom La Liga e was Spain na akwana no be so ko Spain no Barca and Madrid do benya bia obopo because o 3 years ba se nyina no ne kwan so no na Barca for no mani abrepa me be catch on no ye se Man City for no say wo mo to no mo bo mo sa no mo bo free track ejeba obviously akwada yi and your world record free mo to name say aye 222 million euros wo say not even 220 no and I bet me out to Ellen Haaland report am say kan nyina no say Man City ebeton a wo mo ebedemand ya ye fa no say record fee and sana wo mo som amakwan amakwada no and some atumi akọ Arsenal bobo ko me be kan na no say abrancha no say Gabriel Martinelli and some Coco Pride and omo ka so omo game against Peru wo mo ama boy no ampa shak mama time na game no guso elkoswa na Gabriel Martinelli ejina tag out a just one enjoy game and some akoso boy no wo mama na mo boy ni be sense obi a wanya knocker now the tape abon na the crosses abon no o some obobie e report am say kan je eba nyina no and some anasa akwada no wo mo ama na mo sa abon na and aba so good news and say make us say no I'm so by now crowd here woman yaba be drew a yakura and no some HS England at German Saka and some other report to me nyana no and some much as so much flight ma woman so ba broso contingent ni na flight ni no Gabriel Magalhaes Gabriel Martinelli eko ana Fulham akotana ye fan Andras Pereira wono some ana Lucas Paqueta wono abo adamabo ko fan sa West Ham woman boys F4 and I just a private jet and Quatay and some bar a London. I want to so I couldn't say woman in so class in so London. I just an update and also about us Nabokono. What can some about Castle almost say Newcastle a striker na you found some Alexander Isak Omo and almost one fan at Deneba. Now Newcastle for so by say woman some other some boy where I extended a contract and some other side you found the Mark Peace and a report I mean so boy no yes in common I'm so married to impasse not just a progress be anywhere and no some across a day yes a boy this one I'm on for clause a year release clause and shall contract anymore also we call England one more time for clause and shall play a contract and two bar no a bow yes a boy demanding here you can say release clause and you one and after two and a Sakotano was a Namadum Bonti and I was what Jessica and some other child will be our team no more the highest paid player and some new counselor no and Ababetu baby as I say what some Ababetu and Manchester for no Medabatu just a manju and penny for saying Womo besa womo kate cost esansa Sergeant Ratcliffe abaye nasi kebu okra Manchester for tretia sebi emfaso biye ni so and what ni pomo ye adwuma e wo man you adoso wo ka say ye di kare abatu that dada am ya catch us ni pano over besa 250 analyze wo dwumadie ensom our Manchester United and wo ebedu Ferguson eso am me kai say me koti say the last 10 years sika man you atua ensom Madama Ferguson a little over 20 million pounds. Essence, yes, a little over 2 million pounds. At there, or your global ambassador, Emma Manchester United, Omo Kwanwo dia tire, Omo catcher and Wasabama, ye season ya, Ujuma die, and so I see, made buy. Sir, and Jaminian say, Sir Alex Ferguson, yes, when you're happy, who run a boo of fool at there. No, ya could also be on Manchester and by Yakono. Mona somewhere na mo say monya sika mo de abeshem anu ntebia ye fra wo Jim Ratcliffe ye fra wo Asomasi anase bi obenten awofu se bi na Manchester ya kono bra sanko bi ama metototo ho anye jeje nkuru ane yade ensom amatim na anka man you enya attractive ama wo mfa sika ensom ameshem wana dijwaboka wo bie no obeso dijwaboka o Manchester na yese ban se bi Brandon omo eba no commercial ne ade a wo mo fachi sika no eno ntina ma wo du sika ba so de ba beshem wonom wonya akwodasa yese no kwa sen ku awura ye furniture Ratcliffe say efiri na akura yi Ferguson no hwani o ma wonwuram our dressing room ebiem enom aye one say be a Manchester popo our Old Trafford sometimes enkoya obo ansa kekra ni wawura hom adea wo be kasa che players omo say efiri na akura suna won kam anu ya baako ana no wache Manchester mpedifo no so a ya na ebia mo board no so ebia footballing board no yesem efiri na akura yi wo be yanso ni tumi biem say Manchester bobo abeko dressing room enam omo twetwa sane omo nyina mo na tie Oriel fan say Eric Cantona say nene enkwada ba muadio wo ene say Alessagase no ma won kwa dressing room wasan ambassadorial role no enso na de friend nsem na ose wono Ferguson yo bia Manchester United net down na ade bia Ferguson person ye bia no I was see ma Ferguson eye it is a Ferguson be say bia team no was ni trase kra o see ma ne kwan e ma ne dane eye club no na Cantona say we eye lack of respect adama eye Ferguson na eye scandalous our bro 3% Ferguson and the boss about one the boss forever mo say na mo run bobo kwa no say Manchester no mo kwa de sabi o de mo to baller so a Eric Cantona nie wo ko make post no asom all chesa na IG our bro ra ye fans Eric Cantona na kasa no na mam din sound say na monom anyabia ne pola mo ya no say no monom ne die aye Ferguson asem ene ye kan yo enye me aye du Maria ene nya wo ebia Saforo musa aye Fegi asem ne ye kan na wo Jacob is Liverpool what me je Premier League ne sa makoma ko 13 na Liverpool akoma na mo Liverpool to me reverse na chese baby omo gina no omo gina enam wo se wo boka oba so cut cost ebi maluzo madwumanu ntidian o ma fagi som am play ni ro as I ambassador mu diagro na tie din sound say was bema mo na mo kwa ye signing sakoto Jadon Sancho the worst ever signing our man shoe o ma bakosem mo na mo kofa Anthony ensom abaye a chese Anthony no wodiri e ba se nyoma shedan koye ensom amfam abrontia ye fan say aye Anthony entinam se ya kasa na se bia mo be anan ana bia Ferguson anasempo wanyade ne ye kate cost anunti I was here Janu kwan amane kom ana fine kosi he ensom anya jabama munu owura ending ye acha sama fa papa ye ensom anya dwumodiri e ba sa nya owura no ana amama bomoka ayemu ankase na mopa ana makwa bomoka ama chese na make kase nyoma nkwase de wose no ensom asiku adama boboku a ye fan say United to mu nyina no ensom defend owura ye fan say Ferguson ewa brashak aba entisani atomwa na wam you said ya denom anso si jose okofa Anthony ba waboka erisa waboka wi a memmo bi ama me scapegoat ama yante said e bi aye Ferguson so nenam ama mo boka anya fagi ana kofa branch aba no sa Jadon Sancho ana nya fagi ana kofa Anthony ensom abanti no enum aye nso owuru a ye fan said din sounders achas wono ensom aginam adama boboku a ya na sempo ono so aye chesa ne nsem no wori atodwa ewa abra no aye update if omaso adeba ho nsem no nyina no yentie kakra fe na atom.
2 million quid is peanuts compared to the money they've wasted on Anthony. 80 million.
Not Sir Jim Ratcliffe.
No, but they've wasted. So Alex Ferguson's paying the price for the terrible recruitment.
Okay.
So you've got Sancho, the worst deal in the history of football, 80 million, 6 goals or whatever he scored for the club. He's now out on loan somewhere, getting 300 grand a week.
And doing well.
Is he? He's doing all right.
Doing well at Chelsea.
Doing all right.
He's doing well.
I haven't seen him play well.
No, you calm down.
You've got Anthony on the other side on 300 grand a week. That 2 million quid to lose the PR disaster they've just done with Alex Ferguson for £2 million compared to the figures they've wasted. He's paying the price for it, and 250 other members of staff.
I didn't cry about what I say. He was on Momas when you were Maza. Esimusio, Yatamosu Tete. Baby, I'm a Fabia Mayu. I had said, Yaman can say, Mebeka Kwadane fans and Mantis of the Menti. One who sell Liverpool by one minimum. What he plea, Alcotumpan for him. Jaminian and Nano Penisa, Yase Bobakua, Yafansa Rio Sociedad, Omonia Kwadane Koma, Nan Comodi San Kebia Bueno, Wabes Tentene contract, I'm a teamer, Yafansa Sociedad, and Namino Casino, Yaso Bueno, Onyan Sain here, and I Kwadane Som Baswa Bassine. Now Liverpool to me, Yasidia Mensa can say, one of our bonus situation is said here, I am Mbappe, at the Nabia there, and you'll be now, I'm on for pressure, no, and to among Brandon Bridges, Omonia Kwadane Tem, at the some I come a chance in a buy up and all, one was about top point at the bar, and I up the tab, Mamma Pub Gajola, also Nano Monte and Yabeka, so couldn't come on, and some our Italy, Wakoshan, a former a year mate, Baco, and your right father, Roberto Baggio, ABM, and so I look at Tony. Now look at Tony Shia, I pap, and a Baggio, Tony say, Ocean from your new year, and also our dear, but also Bunko to Jabama, was a Baggio Mono, and yes, Ubashia Omo, woman, maybe I had Dakupa could be, maybe I was your Montisa, Oshia Pap, no Oshia, I am Baggio, I am Koto Johnson, and yan height, and Tinobun Kotoge, was some I respect or at the man Parfano Jumadi or Madi, and some Ayama football, and Untina Mende, or no, or Fans Luca Tonino, and some Alcon Koto Jamua, yet they update Abba, I see Barcelona, Jaminian Sam. Lamin Jamal, yes, a boy in one shot coaching Eber Restino against Sevilla. Essence Macacho, sir, Nanko bet me up on Shedem Prague Giddy, Serbia Manphobi, and some lesson Hono. Namam Diamensa can say coach, no, one possible rescue Acadena, Yafan sell Lamin Jamal to Diamensa Canino, and some others a beer, no more resto ban Lewandowski, and what comedy can or Poland game anymore. Janame seconds only at Dafomu Munyam, later Sandy Jinam up match in the now. I say, can I say, yes, a boss for say Lewandowski, but me a question say be or no, and some I doubtful. I just Yamaya Duma, one game against Sevilla weekend, you know, and also bet me about and Wednesday, and I remember update. I bet me as Sawatina, I bet me as by Friday and weekend, you know, not just and you must some I come, and so I Yama one now me back I Gaffy as some show, and the good news and it's medically, one my club by the data, Mediaba, no, so no, coach so coach no German second so be so dia kwatana ye fa no say Gavi eka aye squad no nam odoko aye Sevilla and some game ni mo na Barca for no ye say manager no and wo ba wo ye adwuma and you me koyi adema no ntia de bia coach no pa bia no awose wo ye adema no ye say ka Hans Flick enko a awose nka akwara na fa no say Frankie de Jong no o stay nanka de Jong ka ko so ball and some FC Barcelona na Barca for ye so be stand ya akwara no contract no some anam no kasa sedie woma serious Ronald Araujo Pablo Gavi and Pedri hono yes anya sa na aye Dion Gadia no woma some attach aye match seriousness and some kakra about Madrid good news and say Vinicius or your training. See about international background, so no problem on the con. Now, so Vinicius Nadawa, what did training Denteno and watching Mbappe and some training and nano pay and not Jude Bellingham. Woman, and some training and TBBI fine and so Adamabokua, your fan Los Blancos, Arches and some update Tabanum, Mbappe and some say, German second say. Boy, no, the lawyer ever kasa and what de banyina so and our Kwadani Mbappe na bia munim yamoka wonon kwa 90 da na Sweden crowd acquire Stockholm am ba kaso call aye shares Jolie restaurant ofriwo and obese call aye V night club ofriwo obese call bank hotel ehona incident ni see ya ye dey update am on nyina no wo se ba bi obekobi on the body gas and nam and what nipa bi eka no enti Mbappe wonye free sasa wobetimi anyi obi na bia chinchina twa he ma ho kwan na me fa ma onya de ogogo ho na me fa ncha masa o ka unu anyu na zo aya gogo ho na masa wase onya free sasa akoda na betimi din samani a eno so ati say na ade ba ko no say yesi Mbappe nkrofo no woman, I am one person say France for na so asem no mu twan no mo kana Mbappe no no abusafo no awo gide bi say aye Paris Saint-Germain empire for na hihya kire anasa bia boy no won be say wo mu gu nani ma say anasa bia boy no mo tarnish ni image na yesen central ba kwa fa no say Romain Molina kwade no central Romain na de betu twa say Mbappe na mo no sanan ko bia ya international break awo ya training awo Madrid say holidays granting come out from Spain or Sweden was a boy mentally on your okay Mr. Menkasibia na adwenye na mo say am say mental health no ya mo de nyoma diagro obetimi anya sika anya japade ni nyina bi na mom onyo okay aden a was in the boy wo pie rough wo twabi pa Mbappe no wo mo so no mo some more because enyoma bi akoda ne from psychologically enyoma bi akoda na mo e wa adwene mu no won shedam anyo okay enyoma pi no ana on say mema no so de ne man nyina du be na sanyoma ha nu awura ba ho mam 2 nu ade nu akono aba mam 3 ade be kire se wo bo be 14 o sim Mbappe obi o 10 piano jo ama chese night out no I need day ana alcohol consumption and some akosoro wunu mia bi a chese wunnim enom kakra ba no wura ba ku no court ana odiri dwumadie ye fon Alfonso Perez Medina na Alfonso Perez Medina ana wo say hwe ade na akwada ne namu no anya nkwada asem de ka ne sa na wo say donim ana sesa oye Mbappe ahba bia odin akwakodru the moment ye de bia ti say aba chechero no ema wo headache ema wo tipaye ebiem ene say ema wo kra no wontimi nya adwen fan fam ball esa se wan onim say bia asem no ye be fra asem no wo chena ye be kan wo chena by Friday ya kan we Mbappe mini for o won to wadwum ye clear asem wey wo metimi atra so the next best 8 years oh quarter to ashada ya join it oh next 6 months into kra no wo say wo ko anasa wo ba ama unhu chasa u situation unhu ebia wan kasa no say the verdict no ebesi akọ ye kan pain ma wa no Sompa mini for me ho so na mam ase ne watching adechia next 6 months mo ebasa na untimi nya mind na kra no emfa mo ball ti boy ne de ebia free na kra be koso ahwie pa and so be ansaike na ebe ha dwen a chese no update and so ba ho sam ni nyina no ye de ema ye tefo ene anopai live on the show me say bibia find here
nyame adomahwe ni experience fancy di Maria bibia ye boko na ensem wo ensem de bi wo pa ensem de bi wo
oh yeah and then me be say you ref you quick
it is straight to
Black Stars yes maybe I be free bia
mate Shadrack boa me so kakra na me we
Sompa Sports
birthday na me rem na ye ko na se ekopie mu e wo ye Thames Academy a eno e wo Apiedu Tender Arms Academy e wo Apiedu me wo fa se Jaden Ebo Yeboa Jaden Ebo Yeboa edi ne na woda na na se na ye na woda happy birthday me wo fa se me na one nkula na more Tender Arms Academy ho ni na me se nye party keto akra na mo papa no ma me ba beto de ama wo nti ye behwe ni mu se yeso nyina ya beba na ni teachers na bebom na ye kama ti Jaden happy birthday nyame enshra na onyo kese na nyini be ye panyimpa why
Sompa Sport
emre bi me betena hanom me di nkomo bi na ho na me pese me nkomo didi no me sha ase
na o ka se o bompa se yam qualify
oh that one won't qualify
okay
won't qualify ya de no ne to nchen a benim de entia for the past 2 days the parable of talent abam tinimusa abam adwimusa
eno booking course no so ya mama for debate ti ya mamu dia
no
mama we ase for who say ampa mamu dia eno na say 58
us it took 10 kra na
o be 580
bi o wa
ya metena aboboy kra ma ntwa nya bi ani Mike no okay ti ne di
iti wa woni Mike class I board bia na bia no mo ska wo mo ho ne ti mo frɛ wo mo omo do ka so afrɛ yes fancy the problem of the talent na between for some time now. You see, master na ye na adwin say o tu kwan no. Na servant na ye miensa. De edi kan. Oma no enioma enum se onhwe so. De tosu mienu. Oma ne nioma miensa se onhwe so. De tosu miensa oma ne baako se onhwe so. Na otu kwan na odi na chija omo no. Okoba no na de oma ne num no.
Mempese me cattle, but quick. My side we answer real quick. Name brass what? I'll share a launch a cruiser. Diana I ready. A large cruiser on a Black Stars. At I say yen to me and qualifying in ano. Yen share a yen some large a cruiser attitude on Black Stars a captain. And says let me say a large cruiser a can get credit for inch a large.
Captain no a captain guy is a one. Captain, leader. Now I leave team into the field. Not your job, leader, ma.
Oh, meza to aso.
Inti fancy. Okoba ene de odi num ni jam no multiply na.
Sompa Sports.
De odi me nsan man no multiply na bebre. No de odi ba akone man no wandi o. Odi ko share form. Say the master ne ba no akoyi eno ade ama no. Na mienu no ose omo se akwapa no kwafo. Mo na motimi adi no kredi ayedai. Edi ama me. Most of these things are coming in here. Say Black Stars say yeah, Black Stars in here, Black Stars in that. So ayo mine dia. Ayo mine dia no. O mine say see etu kwa na say e ko ba bi the Black Stars ne be share an entity binsa which is a private liability company binsa which is the GFE. Say yeah the national teams ne hye mo nsa say mo nya dai. Mo hwe so. E bia Bible mu de ne ye mo num. Ye ba no ma multiply na ma na 10. Yama obisu mienu ye ba no multiply na ma na bibre yama obisu baako ye ba no de ahye fom no we mu ne yama mo bebre master fo anase Ghana fo nyina ye digina ma ye masters ne ye koban na Black Stars no ma ye ne dey ye koban na national teams no ma ye ne dey. Everything that is happening alongside the Black Stars, and I've always insisted and insinuated say we really need a reset in this particular team due to nyoma bia e koso wo se yetimi sesa no. Na nipa na yedi dwumadi ni nyina hye ne nsa se ono ne nya Black Star ho adwuma na on multiply na se yemra no nya ne dodo mfama ye ne asena ka che ne se akwapa no kwafo waye wadwuma ye no ye bae ne ba akopɛ no ode ahye fom. Na Bible say nipa na ode ba akone hye fom no obae ne na ne master ne ka che ne se wo utrimu adin na ye nipa bonini Medisha wonsa ne wosan ka ati bi hwe nkofo mienu omudi wanim ka na moye ne yie na meba na nka mfaso aye dai abaso ebia na GFA ne de ye national teams no ebia ana the GFA e de ye national teams no. I'm tired of speaking about tactics. Ye nyina ebetima betina no maka se na e wo se Abdul Mumin any solution ebo because your ball games be an ajikun ka no Mumin any solution dey a boy and it was one of your best games Mumin on go be kra na say ball be any on go okwa clear ball be na ntimi anya dey an clear ye ana ntimi ma ye share against Angola but Mumin boy no bobo ni enti tactics no aye ball highline dey Mumin ni solution e befa. Oh, there be your midfield no combination. Let me say Thomas Tepateni wono. Ye ni ma de kodi asi wa hase a we say nya bi mu anase we say we gina ha na we tutu hama we tim besha. We are not here to speak about tactics. We are here to speak about enyoma bi a aboboso. A ye de say yen kwofo bi nsa se omuni animu no mo na enkoye mfama ye ba ye nyaso mfaso am ya kase akwapa no kwafo ma ye ho adwuma no. Eno ho asem ne ye beka. Na 2019 na normalization committee emiere mfi ano mu lead ye de call AFCON normalization committee de call AFCON no ma kitinkiti bi ko sisi ya na ni kwa sisi ye ba na yesi coach kura no munya ne kwa ma ne nko. But let's not forget say the downfall of the Black Stars did not start in 2019. The downhill of the Black Stars started free 2013. I call AFCON. And your man koye. And no 2014 ye ba World Cup begu ye ho animu ase so be kaya. And no ye call World Cup any Germany ko bo
Sompa Sports.
and so kwako si honom ye si we abo we asum ye si we ye say ye si we akoka say and no e sha sese ba fom. But the ba ko ebo ai ne say we had an opportunity to reset after that 2014 World Cup.
Yes.
And you for commission of inquiry. And you didn't penny for you better say. You didn't come on in. We did not fully utilize the opportunity to reset the Black Stars. But yeah, a medium-term project big Krabi. I know that they call 2015 AFCON. It's 2015 AFCON. Look at players head you call 2015 AFCON. Never to Toma you call World Cup in 2014. 2015 AFCON they free AFCON mun na kan hu bi ko emeboa. 2015 AFCON emiehunu amate. 2015 AFCON miehunu a lot of good players. Even as Samojan that tournament no yare. Any Algeria abremu ye den as Samojan free bench buy and you bought through pass back bi. Or then I was no prep on the two net they qualify. So this was a well balanced team that we were making sure see about transition is so well. It's Christian Achumu in a part of that tournament. John Boymo about that team. Jonathan Mensah, Andrew Dedayumo. We had a very good squad alongside with Coach Avram Grant. But yeah, the experience for the bit as we had account because not that you. That's why I said no yet. You find a younger no I pick out day, but still no experience because the day you shall say for 2008 AFCON they host to Ghana ha. And the day you shall say so about team. There was still a Samoa, but there was no Sule Muntari, there was no John Mensah, there was no Eric Addo, there was no top player in front of somewhere 2014 year they no. E can be. It's 15. Fancy about Benya team. 15 team are Benya and you building upon them. It's World Cup in 2018 and qualify but after 2017. Ya koye by yentimi anko Roman ko boy home the quarter final ye free. It's 2019 gave us another opportunity to rebuild again. After normalization committee, any question and issues epejaye. So we needed to reset fully with that. After say yes, so home in 2015. 2017 you call AFCON quarter so in the quarter final. Tunisia ye free. So in 2019 we come in and we believe that this is one tournament where we could perform better and do things well after say normalization committee aba. But a dear pan yet say coming to conclusion say a Black Stars problem. The kind now man for 2 years a captaincy issues a raise problems of Black Stars.
Enyane.
The tosumienu ama for the one now did say players be one more deserve say was here from Black Stars. And almost so from some beba na deserve say was almost bonny more it another problem. The tosumiensa omuji 2 years a team no ekuokuo wom obi at the political party. Our Black Stars team and a player A in the squad, player B in the squad, player C in the squad, and obi at the they toso 9. Musi coaches say tie for munyadie, including local coaches. I never could na free. I ain't me qualify for AFCON or a Ghana ni on an assistant in na. On an assistant in a Ghana ni. And fancy, o check your mumuso now, mu free, musi Ghana coach be no yadie. We sit down and we despise what we even have. It's time me enko fa broni mfa ne mra. Yesi coach so mo kroma ne nyade. Okay, fine. Ye to so num. Yesi ye coach football agu. Ana my youth teams no ye ntimi perform after 2013. Ah yes about 2015 and na 20 ben na hu se perform papa bi wom. 2013 apostle mo ne omko ye no. Clifford Abuajimo
Sompa Sports.
And then omutimi nya players a edrume bi a the French national team ne kwaje World Cup in 2018 na bi wo meboa.
Omo transition okra enye.
What am I saying?
Transitional policy.
It as Omaino we realized all of these problems where we could have used 2019 to reset. But ya reset it. Tembia ne yakwa ne yakwa koshebo. Yakwa ye de say beba. Mama yeska say yakwa tournament say na se ba ye de say ne beba. Na minister di animu no be di animu. But in this particular aspect, I expected the GFA to be very clear to the ministry, to be very clear to penifo mu di football anim, to be very clear with the situation on ground.
Say
we need to be realistic. Say after 2019, we have not been the same again, and reality is catching up on us because we have failed to change with time. Because ye could di Uncle Ben Kofi ne nyoma development plan or the two of my no and when you did besi bear 2015 no you didn't who we na twam koye no the next generation again na na prepare their mom. What was the football policy or the developmental policy or plan which we have laid down even after Otia Kenten Kwampoja hoye dey ekoye when you are picking even new directorate at the GFA to come and work and no boing bibi antimi afri one farmer it's a kobi ayese be ya de ne ahyebo oh we dey betimi age we are not humble enough and we are so arrogant to accept football changed and we fail to change and this is our level yasa yenyintum a team Black Star no any hobiem no let's accept the fact but we are too arrogant and you feel say we can appoint any coach to come and do the job and we are going to get success. That is not how football works. And all of these problems are evident within a team. And the GFA keeps on appointing Black Stars Management Committee. And Nano Yatihanum, one of them was able and bold enough to come on television, on committee meeting, to come and tell us, say, they deserve to take $100,000. But meanwhile, the problem still remains the same. The issue around the Black Stars still remains the same. And the Kwani said to Hunina, Nia Sadia Babesi Fako, near Tihanum, Nanyomane Koso. Me say, the parable of the talent will always tell us, say, Yadi Bibisha on Sayene, meaning Obiabet and a problem with other people. But Black Stars, you know, any the national teams, you know, more GFM penny for money, they are someone as someone vessel. Bible so all free wakono. Or the other saying is, I know buy no about home, but no Sompa. When are you going to call you Aquapano Quafo? Motina say there are fractions within the team, there are collapse, any new member team, there are huge issues attached, and the kind of coaches you even pick.
Mate.
Fancy, where am I first half? Where am I first half? Where am I first half? Thank you very much because Monoma be break out to us.
Hey, no, where
are prelims?
Hey.
Where are prelims? Me number group stage kwana but if in semi-final and final. Where are prelims?
Mate, whoa, Mike, mamma hey. Oh, okay. Mate. Whoa, I'm about so messages I be baba ne adia ma unse. Moje na ebe baba ebe hweso na afi. Sharak bibia okay all day. Okay, bibia okay dia yemra so na afi yemra na yemeti. Wo, mama Emmanuel Ajmamba do dia na Emmanuel Ajmamba do after a reaction enra say Ghana Ephraim.
Advocate said the second coming of the coach. Who can introduce me support the but I'm sorry as a tax a bonus apart from say a bonus team na team is you can be a okasa then you think say what be Paponini and now what baby I say we be young can be now what am I kaya ma can me no introduce I catch them say but I didn't call I'm not one you two and then I'm that you be too much. And you say what is the business of us going to do in the after application if you can't win a team like Niger? You don't have any business. Say you better start your mathematics need you more pians start mathematics then I got 2 matches they will need to know more.
Whoa. And no, I cry Emmanuel Ajmamba do former midfielder the senior national team. And I would say your Dane accepts MLC Kono so your former coach. And after say Black Stars if you mathematically about Dentins actually say ebi funumu ebe fa aye pani to krom e dia course right mam say na say yayi na kwakoye I be mre dia ma funumu so be fa sa to krom kra ko dan say Black Stars be qualify after say antimi an qualify no CK Akono and so e de kakra tuja.
I think if you after these first 2 matches that was impressive. We've always known that the team has not been a situation where they are playing like a team. You know, it's more of individual brilliance that if a lot of people have shown what they can do, but as a team collectively, we've not been able to see exactly what is expected of them, and it's simply difficult also because the time factor. They come here for a week or whatever, and then they go back. So it's a very difficult situation for any other coach, and so they've not shown the ability to work as a team, and that is what we lack. It's been done. But also we must understand that they are in a period of challenges. They are in that challenging moments for them. And
okay. no aye den sama aye sika kono de tudwa Mike mamemra ho
fancy emreninti we mebone tofa na yakoba ni enya kwan ni etimi de hon komo Shadrack Mboye with the current standings in their qualification group but the situation at hand then say Angola have qualified or more 4 matches on Maboni no more winning. Angola has 12 points from 4 games played. Sudan and Etwaso they have 7 points from 4 games played. And Ghana at a third position, you were 2 points from 4 games played. Osha 4 matches in Yabo, you draw 2, you lose 2. So you see kind of realistically, see a cast yemi in Yada young qualify because you shed your HM and your day a predicted the beba. The HM they say Yabo matches will be Abobi Wabonte, Yentime Winiba Kokra. So there is no guarantee, say your next remaining games and you be winning me, Then we come and look at the options or the probabilities of Sudan not picking a point in the 2 games. On the evidence of what has happened in the past, Sudan are the air for more many point. I'm repeating, on the evidence of the HM, because we bet 2 away games, we have 1 point, and 2 home games where we need. What does it mean? So clearly, Sudan, the chance of onya a point, higher as compared to Ghana winning the remaining games. And realistically, we won't qualify for the AFCON. Realistically, you won't qualify. The only thing is you can pray for a miracle. But a miracle, it does not come by chance. You work for the miracle. Until when one trainer, you pray for a miracle. You don't just sleep and then a miracle happens. Until so preparations a miracle. We have not even won our remaining games yet. We are only conjecturing. We are trying to make a way by empha. I'm telling you, we will not qualify. And sad dear way that's all. Fancy. It is not just an event, a series of events. Shadrack, Masendo WhatsApp images be. The last AFCON I acquired, how many points in a year? He about 3 matches, and I'm a Kevet first game. He about draw against Egypt. He about draw against Sompa. We picked 2 points from 3 matches. He about 4 matches near 2 points, and we are surprised. And that's it. Where 2021 cry? 2021 AFCON. 1 point. He about 3 matches. He about draw back. He lose me. Exactly. And 2023 AFCON I acquired. And you know and you about 4 matches in your group, near 2 points. I didn't yaba. A trend, a threat. And that is why I always say, in some diagnosis of the issue, how you see when we put in a higher no. At times we let emotions and how passionate we are about the national team get the better of us. And to me, ya any bebreza and I ye dear before any yaw and ye de casa. Inti where I was here day assembly to yen to me fan to ye. Once a before na befra na koye did the attempt century, then we attack people, but we don't attack issues. And that is why we are where we are. And the he was the same person after see a free move 2019. You blame me, no? And I don't know, captain, if you are Samaja, how they come out, they die you. And I don't know, we say, we were the same people who said it. And then I see. So we often, mad the trivialities. Nyomane hunshe de hiano. Mo enu take center stage. Na de hiano ye pia to baby. Because of our own interest near there. I'm telling you for a fact. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. We don't have a solid sporting policy. On my way na team no. Abai no nenis wade hunu ba ku bie nu say oh way a sports policy a ye about for the next 10 years. Say ne pese ye sports never. So football is a microcosm of the entire sports decline in Ghana. Tell me one sporting discipline in Ghana is thriving. You dey mama baako na se ni nyina egu sports ni when you go see football no so nko a you might be misdirecting your point. Enya football for no ana omugu football, enya swimming for no omugu swimming. Your mind no Ghana, and the Ghana involves as a bigger a cycle. No, it involves the football people, the swimming people. It involves football administrators, coaches. It involves players. Into Ghana as a whole has failed. How do we solve it? O man bia opini. Sabe me wa aboframba. Na abofra ne da che no, I leave it in the hands of the headmaster. I saw abofra no go school and the headmaster na e also tenete me ba ne ma me ba ne hu kwan on fa so Bible no kran kan sa I said tre abofra no e kwan pa on fa so tre no wonyame ntitie mu that is according to Christosome but we no say born ye pese ye bo a e wo se ye tre abofra no born ne bo no e wo ne mra eye ne mofra bremu onyini anu wa eden when free ho. How many of our current players can you point a year towards? Now they will say so, say wait there a Ghana football project na den buy none, and I can list them for you. Atizigi Wafa, Mentoaso, Ali Seidu, one person's initiative. Mohamed Salisu, Obroni na befa na ko Spain coach ne bobo. Mentoaso, Alexander Jiku, Ghana binding ishi wonimu. Ghana as a country has nothing sold in him, and a man be a professional footballer. Gideon Mensah, Wafa. Right to dream, sorry. In Fifi, Ibrahim Sulemana, Atta Legacy, Oliver Atta, not in Italy. Mentoaso, Elisha Uso, one of France, Teten or ne board train on your Mohamed Kudus, Right to Dream Academy, Iñaki Williams, Athletic Bilbao.
Yes, I had it.
Antoine Semenyo, UK.
I am a boa.
Me say, Uyi Blaster squad, no crap, so BMwa. Not more than 5. And clearly you could see, say, it was a clear national football policy in the development. If your senior national team has such a feature, you are not sure say a big cause for worry. These players on one side, I will definitely defend them on any day. These are not bad players, but they are different players from different footballing backgrounds. Eban is saying now they need enough time to camp, train together, and normal beti omo the entire Sudan for no bro when they say Sudan for no, they know themselves because they come together, they've played together for a very long time. Now when teamwork, individual brilliance is trumped. We have individual quality, but we don't have a team. And the football language, the footballers understand it better when they coexist together for a very long period. Now crucial games. What for 2 days? And the players when we are Messi and Maradona. Even Messi Maradona crano, they need a period of camping. 2 days when you train so the it is not possible. We keep believing that I was saying your say, but we are really say the account was saying. I'm telling you, without a clear national sports policy, and the sports policy does not just lie with players. Coaches account. Coaches account. How did we get the EK Afanes, Osam Dodus and the rest? Ghana, Winneba Sports College. It trained players, it trained coaches. And check it. If you belong to the era from the late 80s to the early 2000s, now you will know this clearly. The stable of coaches we were producing, Herbert Addo, Samade, Ike Afrane, Mentoaso, Osam Dodu, Celsus Jones, Atukwefio. These were top coaches wherever they went. Omun Levy, Omun Pente 20 in 2004. Yania Pama Atukwefio, no Okofa Benin, or the Omo qualify for the AFCON. Tunisia, 2004, Yania qualified for the AFCON. He's a Ghanaian coach who went out and he proved that he has quality. How many of our local coaches can we proudly say, where the Ghana football tete and they are teteno into weno or a certain idea of Ghana football philosophy when it trim and they atnaka de la Fuente asem and a Spain de la Fuente players or the mobile yuma heroes no or the 17 yuma right from the age limit Spanish national teams on your one in Rodri Muin on your one in Yini into under 17 coach not the way back and a 21 coach not the way back yani the net saying without government involvement because football is a national team no say your mind dia and the abaye dia na wo de gu akwemu aye nhyehyeye say wo de hwe say the bet netne near the national teams are in the image of Ghana because in the first place the formation of this thing called the Black Stars, this team, it was for a particular political message. The Black Stars was the sports and the football wing of Nkrumah's Pan-African agenda into the Black Star of Africa, the Black Stars of Ghana. And the team, no, it was for a political reason. By anti-team, they say the Bayaman Yosem, but then they had the Yaman Yosem. Ye titi ne say ye di portray de ye but ye befa enkrofo omunim de near the Oma ye say Jumano. Dear Nedian Sono, yet they never come on any training. No. So CKJMF was exported to Hungary. This is late 50s. Yeah, the CKJMF go Hungary before see boy a first AFCON match.
Whoa.
So we often politicize things now. And Barbara man and I'm Pamono. Okoye, have you solved your left back issue? Stop targeting individuals and target issues. Tackle them. And let the appropriate quarters deal with the issues. I am telling you for a fact, we'll be back to have this conversation in the next year or two. I'm ready to
quick. You cry about Express Group and you quick. Opening say on where dear. Into
a chatty funina, and a pay me Cassani Kakrebi, TTAB. Nipa bebree enya visa refusals ahodo afimo and even in the years past na me ka asisu sayana visa sem no enkratasem purely efa kakra bi na well yebeka say yekrum hayet no ye bibia you can't take spirituality out of it.
Yes,
and we are dan ya eka ho bi. But when you're doing these things, a pure paperwork. So, Oko Bruni Chroma, answer now the statistics or your visa no crano. Oko on the website, Oko can once a ma, or Chilenema, Uhianina, and Sana, what shall I say? What applies over Conny Crum. And Yama Uhiano, or Church Muse, Fawe, Utimiki Kambumu, na o convincing year. On Sabaka visa Ediako. What we have seen of late is that Nipa Bebre enya visa refusals and many adjustment home. Instead of dealing with the real issues, we seem to attack people leaving the real issues done. Inti niema e maninya visa refusal no on share no. Dio hane so ubi anya de na ma me yentina mensa anka. Inti what we have been doing of late in is go buy a hall it took quite teacher those who want to go with student visas and visitors visas no yenya daje echo into their documents one after the other na yes checking nyina hwehwe ehu se omo ensa akane ma nyina pepepe. I would just want to put this across na me farmer no see I won't be talking that much today. Obi ya na adwen se me fa UK wasem kakra.
Okay.
Sir opese oko UK with standard visitors visa. No you ma hodo you would obetimi enya for 6 months, you would obetimi enya for 2 years, 5 years or 10 years. It depends. All start here fresh now. Your first time most of the time the highest you can get is about 6 months. Now okase obeye sa kind of visa na. Number 1 they say you can buy no. Ese wakacho say about me say obekono a bosume miansa edi wanima ansa no wakono fa visa no tum.
Okay, nti me van ko tum abra wo pre. I was say 1 year dey 3 months before.
3 months before.
Fa ko tum say open visa.
So open visa because odi ko tum ono so ebedi nimre ansa no wahwehwe won krata asemnim. E bia na adi ko tum mu no. Na bibi wo ha o so san ka kire wo se ko fabra. E fa beso krata na odi baaye no so. Nti fatum ansa no aba. What we've noticed is that most of the people be crying na ne honam nipa bi ewo abrochi no abra invitation se on mesra no na say mun kofo bebre bi mu apply for British Army recruitment and assessment ya brand invitation no otwan ya aka 2 weeks no amma time also okonu duro no afena no abase e be ya visa. Unfortunately, obeba no be check ni documents or the beba so the be visa no. Na the ode bi o ha obeba no oni hwe. Obi so obeba na documents or the buy no odi ya unya hwe. In fact, obetwa no ho blame say won wa hanye ni ye. Enti obewie be status obeye na say o ye na ho prepare so. And most of the time it doesn't end well. Baby no be say nipa no we nya de o hwehwe no. So what we want to tell people is say obi bro invitation. Why I would say open so consahwe why I would say open say ukosua de mpona okupa bi koye ekoji weni esan ba enye visa no ahopepre so mamre enem nyamre kakra to anim opeso ko December and now free krum ha January. This is the best time also do visa application netum. At least who was some space mreka krada wenim visa officer bi obevete wade no enyamre edikom e was so mo request additional documents or more request abetimi submit and sana de kodi airport na okoye no emre aso amawako ye ka kire nkofo nyina say visa nya no enhye da nye magic huhu bia kakraka. You just have to follow due procedures. Na u follow standard things are the oko hwehwe no hovi
some passports.
Yeah. Se utumi ya na saa bigidi se de ohwehwe no onsa beka ama wasoma dwoni nyina ye nya asomdwe mede ma no esi no me pese me kai nkofo nyina ase yeguso school applications among nkofo amanfo pese call the US, UK, Canada, some parts of Europe, Australia mu nyina ekosua de ye masters ne bachelors no omo pese omo call for some short courses ni nyina ye wo kwanya any partner schools se mo ba ye bitumi aboa enya bia mamo afen so obi pese call for visit for any kind of thing medical treatment abroad ni nyina oba ye officer ye beboa na ya hwehwe onkrata mu nyina na ya boa apply visa no eno bibia ma afen yen courses ahodo aye no SAT, IELTS, GRE, GMAT, TOEFL, ACT ni nyina nso ekoso yegusu a ye enu nyina ho nso adesua ye rese o de wasua wa de we now find it difficult in registering the test abra obai officer ye babo register test no nyina ama na bibia nso ayeboko e de ama nti anopa de kakra bi ne ka jetifo ze bibia wo bia across Ghana yetwa oman mu nyina ahia ye wo Kumasi ye wo Accra ye wo Sunyane ye wo Takrade ye wo Tamale. In fact, they are Kaswa. And they be our person,
some passports.
See out to us on Sabakania, direct you to the right office. Not will be attended to you properly.
Numbers no name.
Your numbers no. Your 0249
or 0249
000 448 0552 82 77 87 0594
580 183. Okay. Well, yeah, say yes, yeah, bana ya ba beto aso ye nwe ye kra ma men da gengemit. And so I say almost say bomodian so bebo hono say o problem say bi akaka na how e wo dodom say ni fa so ana say benkum so se no wo didi ana so no nso ana femfem wo de na e braces ana be so ba wo se obeso ye scaling ana say polishing ana be so ya gengemit and say yen kan cho say bomodian so beba na so no mo san so mo use abefo emfidie ene de ye adwuma na femeka wo say wo ma feel senom asine kama I will be crying who say be our seno was in Trinidad gengemit ewo aye abrepo junction kwan na wo fa so e de akọ Bantama High Street ni mo no eho ana be wona bronsan na bank ewo asesro ana gengemit ewo Tachiman magazine kentan kwano so na fe Eastern region so no akofodua omo ben Central Police Station no 0559 139582 Fibo Ventures woman and a day Ashford Prince and a Ashford Princess ringina no aye toothbrushes Ashford Evidence account executive friendly and a Galaxy Natures brushes no woman would p a wom every fresh about toothpaste no and a use idea brush with teeth anopa and a enumer and num a sham now boss and ho bana fe a matches a mold one no and so everyone na famo num and so acting wine o kasani panwa na just our confidence level and so I was through and you know I will post a lane 0535 45 2263 one personal say e bi na abeso to do djuma dia say e ba ko ana se bi emienu dudo bi abeso to bia no wo be ko op enche normal wallpapers e wo ho ana 3D wallpapers and so account or TV backlight e wom self-fairing light ana fe wo to wallpapers na yes and the blind curtains abani nyina na matche ema odako no eye kama afa center carpet and diffusers flowers e wo ho wall clocks and water fountain nyina no e bi bi nso ɛwɔ ɛyɛ OP enchenti kwai na kopɛ bi to dodo bi abeso to bia no wonsa enso ɛbɛka udu aduma please etonoma pɛ na nakwasi agimana brown suremu no awo ana OP ɛwɔ chronom barrier nso on a market edi enimhwe 0540 353750 Sompa chere na baso yesi bronya ye mame wakunafo no ye omo adoye enti se obese obeka ho ene cheso omo mu ni bia ye safo ni nyina so adoye anti obeso obeka wa ade na ka wakoma no bompa eguso bosompa na efa bra Sompa enkranza GCB building mo Sompa sunyan e night market ana odru aye suame hanso aye wa haya anti se ye mo se ye anwa se ye ebia makro nom aduane bia ye di ade kɔ ne paduane ma obetimi di ache ne padasane bia no obetimi ade abana se ya atade eye mpaboa ade bia kan akoma bia se sika nso a mobile money number no eye 0598559802 edino either Sababa Blessed Foster and I say Ebeba Tarawan Media de Bebe Biano eye noa bosom pen fabra nyame ebehwe so na waye wakoma so ade ediamao yeba quick mencha krani aba beto aso Black Stars yeba
young guys no me tumofo no say ade a wo fe mu down so be broken menka sentia unti ase and now be our in the sense of exceptional ability she doesn't have, she's average. But here you could see her, you look at her legs, you realize that when she's bonding you 360 degrees, the man will be confused. That's why he's confused.
Apostle is in the third realm. Apostle channel where the Avadia Ubegua Waria Piwo Chroma.
Oh, very good.
Slender. Yeah. A shadow for video net also near your fancy near
already is free or not already.
So fancy, yeah, come Mbappe, some winning about.
Oh, see,
young guys, when you met two more say, idea of mu down so be broken menka sentia untiasia. And now be our warrior or the oil massem. Unye that sentiment can be. Why? Bompai say be oh dear no bear kama. But don't you look what women does to men in their bedroom. Look, that's the only place that every man, where president of the land, whoever, your excellency, community, your whole patch.
Your excellency, community,
a whole patch. Me see, do something now. Every man is small there.
Then there is Roy Keane. I also akwatena Gary Neville show so. According to say they should give the team to Pep Guardiola. Now the pros and cons of Sompa Sports and what Pep Guardiola wants to do, because Guardiola susu si supi say onye England national team adwuma no. Ohunu ama last time in February I remember.
We hear you.
Now curious.
Obrigado. Talo.
Betway, the official global betting partner of Arsenal.
Yamama baba Gentleman Dental Clinic, Jumadi Idia, and say, BCC will sing, Nayabo will sing Hobai, Ama will noom, and so Axi, and I say, or sing animal so far and to my pa. If you fixed one, no, and I say, you tap for a permanent one, no, and also you see a ultimate aim to give, and no, any friend PFM bridge, and I say PFM crown. I feel you sign a cleaning services oba your profession no na your friend is killing and polishing say ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esene mu say bi okasa etimi ma pampan ene ade ebamu na no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wodru enkan so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down dome kwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ni OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan no so ho anase opposite AY Ahmed na udru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no wo free Total Filling Station na ya bron sign no na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joda kopem eda memeda witimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
if I shop la me sha dia o bag
bra ade enna so biem
na tell me about me see you ba queen why me say
bra said the time about me sha esia gimi ni me fie fo enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye
me dey do this o fa ni nyina
bra se me ka se me di time about me sha ho adanse a riase nyina ebe te me nka enti se malaria where do any time about me sha
enya nu go die na nu mato a wontimi ani die no where do any time about me sha edwe enya ma oba wa fa afuro die wo ma akoda no fo ene akoda woni fie dumienu ansa na obeto time about me sha edwe bi no hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo achidi malaria yi bi ansa
ayo se time me TIME time about me sha afi malaria fi be ada ni ziba ewo mu no ebe tua ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers any herbal shop to do na mu FDA agi edwadue nkratoi ato
Abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo mi se abofra keto wanya 2 years akadai ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla me ya abofra keto yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi ko so no ti ka me ho ni ko hwede wo mbia African Spider-Man ba be save wo fai ba preoccupy ne who's African Jack wo ba be save wo fai na wo secret kura no anything Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret na dia na ye na me yetua na ma wo keka wo fom ana police me di one dance say me say menye na me nso hwe na me so we no a boost immune system ama say me yetua na me ntebre me timi di kama ama wo keka wo dwom so ekoso
me kura so me dai yale ama mai latitude me nya ba ko
eye je na koso ho hey Spider-Man what the quiet
who fa me kura chen
ubenya Imboost herbal mixture e wo pharmacy anase herbal shops apim for eni nkola omundi fie dumienu enom FDA agigede nkatwe atu
so wo pe wallpapers papa to OP wallpapers and American for amount so wo pe wallpapers dey decorative offices so fie sorry say ye paps ahodo baby bia wo hia wallpaper dey do djuma bia no OP wallpapers efro ye ma wallpapers be match with blind curtains e ban bedside lamps nso a OP MR types or ma shapes colors ahodo ni nyina obenya bia to e wona so ye ho say OP LED backlight e dey above flash screen achia and also OP ebe mobi so we selfie ring light out do phone beshim e OP wallpapers and ebe ma selfie ring light OP e wo Kumasi Adum first floor Nana Kwesi Ajman building name Tafo GNTC building first floor ana chronom our barrier on the market na edian mhwe so open wholesale and also retail any OP any nsa so free OP our 0540 353750 time herbal Mr. Bi na wonumi ene wa tadro pa eya dro se emani peduan kwamwa no enya hoden na akotia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebe dwasono wono a na the time herbal mixture e dia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfirisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo ma akora nufo enso enum bi time herbal mixture wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time herbal mixture yadro say FDA age edwadie nkratu atum
Gamila ko dim ko say onya national team adwuma na obeye per club achievement Guardiola making himself known in the Spanish La Liga, the Germany Bundesliga, and now in the English Premier League. Yet to coach in the Italian Serie A, yet to coach in the French Liga. But the impact is so immense when it comes to the game in itself. And we modernize a lot of things in the current game. But Obibo Busa said, "Didn't now own team coach the Spanish national team." The reason why Pep Guardiola cannot coach the Spanish national team, you see, Pep Guardiola nipa or title the biography man pa na friend Marti Perano. Na free time of free Barcelona eba ebe remu ewo Bayern Munich be coachi ewo the city ni nyina no. Eba Pep Guardiola books bebre na otro na esa papa na tro de ma no. Na o make statement be say Pep Guardiola is not going to coach the Spanish national team not because of sporting reasons, but because of social reasons. The social reasons ni nyina say Pep Guardiola is a true and true Catalonian. Or a true and true Catalonian. Now Catalonia for no siki independence from Spain hankasa person omo. So Guardiola has actually made a statement wa bontin say onu edurume bi no konya ya na nke Catalonia national team wo ha ko bomo ahomo. Ko amba mfa the Spanish national team. To a certain extent say Guardiola etimi bo yellow ribbon at the bon atade mu betina bench. Etina bench etre wiase nyina say o support the Catalonia for ne ye den. Emma UEFA fine no 20,000 euros. Omuni FIFA. They are tosumienu. Londoners prisoner and our prisons. Ewo Spain. Pro-independent Catalonia for no. Omo kwa jijina mu se omo mpina na omo beti omo ho no ye chi omo tum no Guardiola ko prison won ko srasra obi asi3. And there is even a picture of that. All Londoners are no jina ho. Oni pro independent for no ejina wa na se ba ko jina won no mo di nkomo eno maka ho asem na nse ya na ehu se Sanchez ana Pedro Sanchez ono ne prime minister ema amnesty edema pro independence empanifo mu di animu so mo ko pay independence yenyi omo emfa mu free prison ema mo mrefie Guardiola di mu tintimai omo mo raise concern about it. So Guardiola and Spain national team two distinct issues. Mechanics no coaching the national team could be one difficult task.
Catalonia for na freedom.
Freedom. How much more? Corona Kebia could be coaching the Catalonia national team.
And so jumo GNTC ewo bantama na omo ben GNTC built in a Bristol consult omo dwumade ani say uyo bia obesa utu kwana akwato aso ewo amanonia ye na sponsorship and won sensem ni nyina no wo mo no mo hwe enso amount mo amoye contractors and asem ye into construction afei we electrician or your customer service we sales assistant and also we into healthcare charity and also creative art mo fashion designers and hairdressers and barbers no certificate of sponsorship by a Bristol consult and a budget and so at the amount and it make out so send this car every gun equal juka rate no and some from Unyan Babia 0246 171377 and Penfonaba Joso, time a Bamashana or pharmaceutical shops and herbal shops in Inamo, Bomonian Sobe Pebi and so Anameno and a Babama malaria fever or to Asia Kama. When I'm ran out for one ayon one or 10 cassa at Pianino Damachas also at Tiana Tianum and so Nababwao. Time HH about Misha and in the capsules and so Bojumapa. Bomonian Sobe Pebi out to our Germany so a money member draw Tatashe 0244 417669. Yes, Yamran Swe Meza Mamra.
Yes, fancy a trap limbs about group stage. Group stage in the SPD up near the Remu to final. Now, Yabasono Ejina the appointment we make when it comes to coaches within the Black Stars and the main purpose of the Black Stars committee and what they are supposed to do, which is solely responsible by the FA in who they choose or who they pick up to come and handle such business. The ESCO nankasa na ewo GFA nankasa no mudumedi it is a mu interest to say in this particular aspect when it comes to your national teams. Meaning say the sole focus near Black Stars. Yen yina yenkomodi dia yedini yina Black Stars. But medika ka se problem ne free baby na baby shimgo baby. What am I say? The most successful period of the Black Stars was a period where we took our junior team serious. What did they mention us no? You call World Cup quarter final, you call any na keka kramia ko semi final ni na. Under 24 kwaje World Cup in 2009. And you promoted do na de omo he no bebo omo di be shebe bo abi mebo a. Omo do na ye say didi omo ho a de omo ko room 2013 2012 AFCON ye call Zambia ko ten ayen. 13 Burkina Faso ko di ho agro e de bae. So in this aspect of your national teams, one, the under 17 is not functioning well. 2, the under 20 is not functioning well. A function crana resource need to say the progression need to say. What am I saying? Number 3, the under 23 need to say. It was during that particular moment in time that we even had a good chanting. But once a man for raising concerns, say, your local league no yampamu your local league yampamu. I'm telling you for a fact, your local league no one of them. At that form say tam. It is the last thing I want to even hear.
I don't want to
oh, your local league no one Black Star limit don't want me more. Yen fanton chain. Now we chanting my recover tournament and I say Kugu and when master Sabayana. Okay, obviously 2004 we came. Wow, compare the local teams. The boy 2004 team rebuilt the national team. The local league was strong as at that time. And local league was not only strong between Kotokone has so Moody League. Within that period, Nyenya Kotokone has said Omo bought a continental tournament final. You fancy a team?
Sompa Sports.
Fancy between 2004 and Young AFCON, Meboa. Young qualified for AFCON, we needed to reset to do a lot of things and come back again. Meboa. During that period, I near qualifiers. You call Bamako, near Kohania, Kobo qualifiers. It was Chastel among most of these players. Now, you saw Modio qualifiers. Meboa. The local league was strong because these clubs were also doing well in Africa. And in 2005, Yenya Korokone has. So, Mumi, you had the trophy, as you say, Panyamo continental final. It's you have hopes of coming in and bringing such players to restart your Black Stars or even involve them to win something. By this time, the Crown League, no, League Nasa so good, so Yasasu Nino in terms of picking players. And then crown pony Premier League players no kwampo mo ya na 20 no crown not all of them ye fa omo ye fa ni division 3 ni fa ni division 2 because there's a pathway so we don connect marketing and distribution ye ba koton ye ba ji sika ne aba. That's what we think about. By the progression in your mind better turn nobody cares about it. And I wonder the kind of meetings are esco for no kwatena se omo dwen sabi some betena esco why ye meetings age per diem akwatena se anase monthly bia na yama muska anase bia mo akwaje sitting allowance in this aspect. Let me even use sitting allowance. Mobeko ESCO meeting bia na sitting allowance mobeje. Now these are the things it won't affect Ghana football, progress Ghana football. Na de bia begu e won ma sisi amada roma adabraka and mguasi akwaba munya adwuma ne to. Munya adwuma ne to.
Sompa Sports.
Na de bia mo ne nam ESCO muntu abamayo, ESCO muntu abamayo. It is sabi pa adwembe pa na ko ESCO pa. Yetimi akodwen pa abo ama Ghana football. Etimi etumpon. The beer will go back, come back again, come to the same situation. We keep on complaining, and the same things keep on happening. Me say players no oblemu ma enye ye china da. I'm telling you, players no money dem penifo ne ye. De odi e chire suan de odi animu. Yesu nua pani de obeye no, hwe no. Me say de odi e chire esuan de odi animu. That is what they've been doing. It's a player no our friend in the national team. We say na suban oba de no mebo. And omo musu nimbo no kwa no national team na their fractions. Obeba when in the group, ono so ba yamane mo. Amount for interest. I'm telling you, omo rejected Black Stars call up no do na injury. It is not injury. Obian prayer. Patene hunesi. When malaria. Joseph Penson huni biansi nansi china oma. On man match na. Mo create a toxic environment. Sana de biatia no mane e ka brofo dia na mo support it. Broni etimi free one team ko different team ko na perform e deba in any environment. So why don't we create a certain environment around the Black Stars where there is enough trust there's credibility, and more or less there's transparency, credibility, transparency, enough trust. So the beya obiaba eye won sanu adwuma na nanu adwuma na be ma de awra tim nim. Odwuma eni bia fata katwapa. Maye sad na my see boys no kro wo mutrim say ono oba no bobo bia na okọ ne ba bia. I'm telling you, none of them will even come to Ghana. Yes so mo so eye omo tantak because don't make bia no muye binti obi antimi komo hwe. Ye kogu ye hu animu aso Africa obi afa flight pa me call London pa me call Belgium pa me ko say o makro mu akra na obi ahu nanim. My nyoma passa me see the esco no mo GFA ho no GFA ne wo mo mato ne nyoma no mo ye wo ho ni nyina no they should bow down their head and say mo ko esco meeting bia na mo ye meeting na mo tena se na mo de sitting allowance adabraka ehun resource nie ana kwasi apia wo esco ana we say ana kwasi apia gina nchen kakra conflict of interest no de ahye wo no wa show until see a best start from the top. Fancy me dem me say makani biam GF ntimi nka nche say asem we for mo ho da me say Bible say ye de talent ne ma obi bia no de obo ho mienu oba o say akwapa no kwafo Blackstar na Ghana for dia ye de ahye wo nsa te say the Bible ye bu parable no so de talent ne hye wo nsa no wo ye ni ye bebo abaso wo anye ni ye beka
okay
dia mo ye bia no you've been a failure. Munko ba ye free mu group stage. Munko ba ye call World Cup. Ya sa ko free mu group stage. Musa ba ye AFCON cry and san qualify. Ahwa World Cup me se Chad na be share Chad.
Wo de na so.
Happy birthday Stacy Watchere. Na Mishra Sofu Evans ba Stacy Watchere. Na Mishra na onyo kese na de odo sabe so bia no. O ma dom ne so Sompa.
Fancy, I keep saying sir, when it happens like this, I na hit
some passports.
Yeah, 70 bebre na obeka. A dominant bedjatum. But I think if there is any time for a proper reset, now, and the reset, it needs to start with government, leadership. I spoke of Nkrumah and the Black Stars. Leadership drove the Black Stars to success. You qualify for your first World Cup, leadership in the driver here, kindest courtesy former President J. Kufuor. Where leadership fails to come with a clear vision, but I see any sunni, the EPC and the antisane no. Yen to me inquire him, you bet you try on say, I best attend them row, and for a man a boy a coha, a one yabeko, a deako benkumani yabeko. That is how it will be. Because we've become people who are not being driven by a vision, but rather they want to achieve a certain mission with no clear plan or no policy. What is a policy for Ghana football as regards schools no plan anything aban hye anything say me pese schools no at that level ball no mo bonnet me peja. In times past we had the academic house. Asamoah is a product of the academic house and their way universities score games, Gusa games near there. Have we ever had a point in time where students from top universities can qualify to play our junior national teams? BBC. What is the integration plan? What is the progression plan? Me bo SS akwenya ben na ho de mame. This ABA club we na be foul. No etimi polish. So there is no direct link between the GES and the Ghana Football Association. Now why the drivers are initiative? Na ya abai will need to drive this, but so go fast sports minister ba. Na onte asoye na or 7 onte asia yentimi ntinasi yem brainstorm any emphasize anyoma we famba. Again, leadership makes disappointment. Time cardia kwakusi say because time in him, and I don't want to give a long illustration, but check this. So Germany to meet now first, and it's like a German national team wa. Edin seni patuntumbe rim. Edin so bia oye amanfreni wunchi anka sem free Germany. Obera team nim. But check the component of a team that won the 2014 World Cup. Sami Khedira, Mesut Ozil, Omofrehin, Jerome Boateng, Ofrehin. It was because the German system had come to appreciate, say, you can say a typical German society near, and that's it. So you have Germans with Turkish origin, you have Germans with Tunisian origin, Germans with Ghanaian origin. Send your Tunisian needed to neba, and just a typical German needed to neba. So we need to appreciate all these things. So
Sompa sports.
And you be football coach and day free. And no money at the better so Sami Khedira. He was part of a German under 19 and under 21 side. They were winning, and they are product of that German football project now. Almost so seats before the World Cup 2006. The coaching way, FMSA, it was because the DFB had to do this together with support, collaboration from Abai. They did not do this independently. The Spanish project, go ahead and check the level of involvement at a certain point in time. Then the Spanish FA, free the throne to ensure say ebetimia peja players o mesim pempensobi, and it was an idea carved somewhere 1999. Yeni yakobo Hamza Kobo penalty saying na Ghana ni why 99 in Nigeria. Remind me. Ghana, yeah, boy could do. Yeah, Ghana in Spain now. I think so.
Under 17 now.
Daniel Bo, you are. Educator Momali. That was under 17 and under 20. No, it was under 20. Isara
Sompa Sports.
It was under 20. 1999 Nigeria. Okay. Good. Inano. And no one ever was Jabine Eke Kasias mo Edemae. The point I'm trying to make is say leadership a failure. Eventually, people will manipulate the system that is weak to enrich themselves. If you clear football policy anyway, the systems will put them in check. It will put them in check. I'm telling you for a fact. There is no way, there is a difference between involvement and interference. Don't misconstrue the two words. A direct government involvement does not infringe on any FIFA air policy and not FIFA stipulation. Interference, you say, oh, but so what the botayana to now do seek you distribute the money accordingly and you determine what should be done. Morocco, is there a government involvement? Does government not play a part in clubs and interference? Is it an interference? So your involvement in interference. Difference is womb. We no don't want shame. Why can't government invest in a year $5 million into local sport? I don't know about to me, but government can allocate money. Yama a certain allotment, $10 million. Monfanko football event. Sebe, Obano, Yantitin wofie NCAC na. Yebena ajina wari ni ashena airfotari.
Sompa Sports.
So even before the wedding, there is a certain preparation process. Enti na okwa ye say oh, yebeje akonta sekan, yebeje eye nsabo ye kind of saying bride price. You need to pay for all these things as a token. Say, okay, so obie succeed, obie play part in so bani teteno se brabe wareno. In the same vein, before see ebe kwa afko na obe boho kan nyanti asiane say it needs to start at a point and you need to give allotment to that particular sector. Ya boss aba obeton
wo de mama majorina asinyo wura ya besa ba beto so yenwie ye kra o asa de paneton ho say show na hia say ya wo pani ye mo akwa be say minim say bibia e find there
ya fancy
am nkoma place no ne bi no me say enye
o ma pom din 7 wo fom pa
now Sudan striker no
enya sem ketwa
bi kwam
ei Ghana adwuma ewo ye ho ye team no adwuma wo ho pa
na mo na mbe ho na mo na Ghana kroma ho na adwuma ni no kroma
ya sem ketwa
kroma ho na adwuma ni no ba bia be rabia sector bia be rabia adwuma ho Tim na me so bompa say odwuma wo din yambe to nso pe.
That's right.
One out be pile.
And no kwasem.
Onu we kan obefo flight akosa no ho yade wo be kan ya. Unya hospital bed so kra na.
Yeah. Well, fancy anopa ye mo bia kwa ba eba efidikasi so. Oma anopa ye omutie show yi. Anopa ye Jerinas Heba Center. Ena oni ye di ahyiamu yi. Ye di enupam yenu ena abedwaman so. Ye wo Jerinas Heba Misha ene wo Jerinas Vico Misha na de edi kan ne say malaria Misha no na dwuma edie so obi wo ho no ma ensuo totoi sabri waye mre wa campem ye no ntina Dr. Jerry edi enupa wode base wode besum Ghana fo say ubenya apomden mapa na da ne da nyina watimi akọ onwuma so iti say wote malaria symptoms ne kanko ade a
Odofo ye kanfo Jerinas Heba Misha no e di amount say pebi no nom nduro no ye di ahita Kumasi ne Ghana man nyina Heba shop, chemical shop, pharmacy shop. Uko ho no ma na wo se ope Jerinas Heba Misha ye bone mrane se abibidro mu commando a wodamufu a ahoden aya wo chefa. Se Jaundice na wako hospital na ye ka kiro say Jaundice how obi ho a obi hia ne danani so yellowish. Jese wutimi so kokete so a efifire te no ne nsa no twetwe no kopɛ Jerinas Heba Misha ni bi se wako hospital nya ka kiro say ye Jaundice na how dia wadura ne Jerinas Heba Misha. Afenso so se osa na how onfe no onfe uyam tutu watika se atwetwe Orofo pe Jerinas Heba Misha ni bi enonom na ebeboa ama osana how woni paduam na tete wo no ebema ekuro bi e woni paduam no nyina no akọ ama wo ho so atọ ama watimi adidi eyie afenso so wo ye oba na se o menses sam so how tete ye de wa calendar wo fi a ye kan fo ama se wo last stop ene Jerinas Heba Misha pebinom na ebeboa ama emoja na akroto wo yam ada wo yam no obi be hia asa wonyem ye kan forma wono maduro na ebe pia moja fi ni nyina ama wo menses na chese wo bosome so a na wajase awiu etwa wo no wadura ne Jerinas Heba Misha kopɛ aduro ni bi na nonom na ebeboa ama wo menses sem na ebi eba ena baako ena mienu eye yare eni kwan se eba ne saa o se wo pɛ aduro ni bi nom na eboa me no ka sɛ ye numbers no na egu screen no ase no aduro no so ope ni do suppose so ata okọ aboabo o station Tamale o station hona okọ aye maame ba ko pe amaye ono na enuro ni nyina o distribute enuro no na afenso so ye ka say se wani how ye maame mu amoma eco school ohwe book ma wohu ohwe blackboard so a wohu na da bia o complaining nani no ye kan form say pe Jerinas Heba Misha ni bi ema oba no enom se ye wo panyini na so ankasa ena wani sem utimi se eso eyo kusu wo hwade a wohu ni ye wo tenka sa ade achi a wani no so eso ye wo ya etutu kopɛ Jerinas Heba Misha ni bi enom ebeboa ama ekuro sem a ewo wani ni so nyina eso be clear kama ama wani ni so atwan eti kanfo Jerinas Heba Misha no ama se wanum ato na wontimi ni di a odofo wadura ne Jerinas Heba Misha ebema appetite no ama wotena aduane ho a watimi adidi ye ne akase ampa bema na edidi oba na edidi eti se wotisa na wo sa problem na kopɛ Jerinas Heba Misha ni bi na nonom na ebeboa afi wo mogya so ate wo be hia obi waye hoya waye fita kopɛ Jerinas Heba Misha ni bi na nonom na ebeboa ama wo mogya sem no ebe boostu ama wo immune system no ahoden abem ama entina ye adwuma kama etisa wo sa hawo ya mebubosu ya wadura ne Jerinas Heba Misha ebeboa amodofo ahoden mapa ayawodia ye koye second one no Jerinas Viko Misha yanu so ye adura eboa omomu ye adwumaden ya ade achi a omuntimi enkoma saafo no na ye kanfo adoya ma obi won ma body pains wo saa hawo ne papa body pains ha no se wote saa kopɛ Jerinas Viko Misha ni bi na nonom eye ntini obi won ma awa ba ubon se ensuo to na eka no kakra bi a ne nanu ntini atwetwe no na ne ho ye de basa kopɛ Jerinas Viko Misha ni bi na nonom ebema pains na wote ewo nipaduam no akɔ na why free obi won so ye ka say ne to ase etimi twe no ya no ne ye ka ne se sciatica se ye maame ye papa wo sa hawo no na edi wunya na etetewa wadura ne Viko Misha no Jerinas Viko Misha no ebeboa ama sciatica obi won so wote fa akon na ne na ase atatai se wo hawo na yesrew se kopɛ Jerinas Viko Misha no enonom na ebeboa ama sciatica rheumatism so a how ahotutuo how na se wo sa hawo no mu a wadura ne Viko Misha no se wo honam twetwon na honam ye omre obibi kakra bi wotimi se wo yere ana okunu ebafie na wamfa enkuto ama saajewa kyese woda wona wotimi sa wonam ni padua no nyina atwetwen wadura no Jerina V commission no odofo wotisa ko pabinom na eba boawo se West Spain fancy so mom your office work da bia wonte wo moto
so drivers no also to be share bus nim
ko pabi anom da bia ba mo anwode mapa am wotena wo seat so atimi akọ ede aba etu your driver na no pay utiem wo car mu na wo West Spain ankasa ko pa Jerina V commission bi enonom eba boawo ama wo sisisem na eya wo jano ni nyina atimi akọ ama afi so obi nsusu wo anwudwe enyareɛ slow na odadem obi tiem ya no pay na ne di hye bi dadem na ne nan adwodwo ne nsa adwodwo a na dura ne Jerina V commission no okopa bi manenom na anwode mepa obehurasi no akase ampa wahia aduro ya no tinya frɛ no abibiduro commando sɛ anopai wo tie me na obi bi ana wode hye bi ɛwɔ adwudwua mu yare a kɔpɛ Jerina V commission bi emane nonom na ɛbɛboa no ama hoɔden mapa ayɛ ne dia obi wɔ sexual weakness ɛyɛ bonus aduro wei ɛyɛ bonus ma bɛma sɛ wo kɔnkran wobɛdu sɛ dade na koduru ɔgye so dabi bɛma wo yale bɛma nsi nsuo ma ansa no ham ɛnyɛ bɛma waduru tam ɛna wobɛdi nkɔmmɔ ani kwa adwuma no na wɔsɛ woyɛ ne yɛkamfo sɛ ampa bɛma nie bɛma na ne yɛbɔ wo mmarane ɛnyɛ hɔ na wokɔte tententan akɔkeka ananse story bia akyerɛ wo dɔfo ɛti yɛkamfo aduroi ɛde ama sɛ bɛma sɛ woayɛ mmerɛ a wadura ne Jerina V commission no kɔpɛ bi no nonom na ɛbɛboa ma wo sisi no ahoɔdeɛ bɛm ama watumi adi dwuma meaka sɛ ampa bɛma no woyɛ ɔbaa so na wo libido ɛwɔ fam na watenka no enkoye odɔfo baa ho wotwetwe ho na wo saa haw na kɔpɛ Jerina V commission bi ɛnonom na ɛbɛboa ama atenka na ba na wo no odɔfo hyia wahu sɛ ampa yɛdi agoro yie ama anigye ayɛdai abɛfie anopai sɛ wotie me na yare ɛbobɔ so yɛntimi anka wo yare a frɛ Dr. Jerina ankasa na ɛne ne ntwetwe nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ 0241 81 46 77 0241 81 46 77 Dr. Jerina ankasa na yare bi a ɛtete hɔ ɛdi wonya no frɛ na no pay watena se ɛwɔ asoyɛ hɔ ɔbɛgye wo so na wakyerɛ wo ɛkwan no na waba na wɔne ato nkyia na fe yare bi a ɛhaw biara no wo ho atɔ na watimi adi akɔne aba dane da nyina yasoyɛ no ɛwɔ breman sɛ dem di kan de to dwaro ba bia first na yɛ frɛ ho sɛ kwadwo DVR hɔ no na ɛhɔ na yasoyɛ no ɛwɔ uduru hɔ printing press bi di kan uduru na so pɛ Jerina Seba Center yasoyɛ na ɛhɔ ɛna yɛdi adwuma mesi nnuroi wokɔ baabi a yɛtu nnuro ɛwɔ Kumasia shop biam ne chemical shop pharmacy shop a na wopɛ adura ɛfrɛ no biduro mu commando na Jerina Seba Mesha Jerina V commission no wobɛnya nnuro mienu bi atɔ na wanonom ama ahoɔden mapa ayɛ wo dia na watimi akwaba abrani abre nyina
what yada say Jerina's mpenfo eno no yemre na afa yemra na yemeto aso real quick ani braba pa na afa yenwi na yemefa afrefo no meza ma memra ma menya no be formal
yes libido ho asemi final part ye friend patupa na patupa we na nibere ni gina technical directorate to GFA wo yes e frɛ bibi DNA Ghana football yakofa ho book dia ba besi na me nim chapter 1 chapter 2 dia o book nim have to see a day adwuma yemfa nya adwuma no minim now I ask myself this question say the technical directorate at the GFA na ankasa no dwumadi na omudi no we are supposed to see a development and say a progression when it comes to your national team your style of playing some of these things in terms of making sure say even the national team the company better produce top coaches no me blame them it will take time because maybe I feel no massima but Professor Mentor has been there for a long period of time. Prof, I am a lecturer Odimu kan UCC University of Cape Coast and I'm prof Sunya coach Ro coach Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum enyene iti person no ma wani nyina na yede na mu nyina we still have coaching deficiency our national team then that means the technical directorate of the GFA na was a question omo and then otu adu gina benti coach ya otwa na ni an assistant no wa John Pencil
I don't qualify
fancy we got a point in time where the Black Stars national team, your bench near assistant, Dukovic mu, Ebae, Claude Roy, Ubecho when Anya Kwesi Apia Max Okunedu. These guys. Edu maybe cry by him Tanko Munina Benena Mubi by Sinokoi. Ibrahim Tanko ye AFCON winner with Cameroon as an assistant coach. Sa semi-final no Cameroon for the Sasha Eguso. 2017.
Benjamin Mukanjo mo.
Omo ye woduma brutal. Vincent Abubakar and the board. You see, the whole technical deficiency when it comes to your coaching job is becoming a huge issue, which I expect the technical directors of the FA to treat it as an emergency, a case to address some of these things. Coach Black Star. Moses saying the potential head coach should be a proven winner in coaching top men's national team or club football. Otuado a winner. Number 2, must have a football philosophy that aligns or complements our DNA. Otuado might have a football DNA. I know they mean fan portray on us bibi. What in the mention as no? Because DNA is annual money, the ball one team one F for no better Nasiaka. But what's about Montino be a day? Yes, they are welcome the Bernie swore. And away, and I'm here. The Tosumians must hold the highest football license in the world with over 15 years coaching experience. Otuado or a trainer scout. Sabe the end of Borussia Dortmund. 15 years na the top level or at the ground level. The Tosu9 proven track record. The key word proven track record in team reconstruction, organization and development of young talent. I can say Otuado or Borussia Dortmund. Meaning the paye. Your young players are at Dortmund, Ellen Holland, more young players are they've come through Nisa and your money in Wabu Mubi. Proven disciplinarian, tactician, and leadership skill. Me discipline, obewo, but on your tactician, papa bia. Omuruso and leadership skills, no, ebia but out of the 5 and your my idea go on, Otuado Beum Be 2. Also, they are fans on head coach. That means what criteria now the 2 on the crown.
Whoa. Mike Bramoy.
Fancy, away and come a did this so, but as I said, say, and I'm not saying say free tier, then it means leadership should look themselves clearly. Na omumbisa say, dear na yange, I hope you get it. If leadership appreciates that fact, near Jitum say, yen to me for palliative measures. Sebe eye kro etua e kro na bia diabetes na kofa bai obetimi de edro aka kro no ba se wan ko diabetes na e kro foforo besanso aba na e kro no kra enwu. So I'm repeating, leadership should look themselves, critically analyze this issue, and then take that approach a non-partisan in komo way no the way our MPP for ne besi edino na hwe the way our NDC for ne so besi edino NDC for ne beka e de go MPP for ne so na MPP for ne so aka e de defend omo involvement say they are not responsible for this. This is as serious as I promised. Why the football people are doing what they are doing is because they have been allowed. They have been allowed to do what they are doing. Morocco hono sa ba ni tweska de ma club near de hyehyeye guso say club no e wo sa wo ye ABCD sa wa anya asika no wonya bion ana ye besan so aye wo investigations say ye hu say wo bi ye betwe aso. Over here we don't put proper checks and balances to task and asset to effect, so people are giving leeway to misappropriate funds. What am I saying here? Black Stars, they are not doing any. You are looking at the picture from a very limited stance or viewpoint. This is not a Black Star problem. It is a Ghana football problem. You can sack Otuado. You can sack the players. You can dismiss officials. I'm telling you, if the fundamental issues are not addressed, we will come back here with a new set of officials, and then this Sompa Sports. In Komono, today I came purposely for the leadership aspect. Without proper and visionary leadership, yen to me solve your football issues. And just one of the many sectors are collapsing. Tell me one particular industry Ghana is striving. None. I'm telling you. But for good leadership, we have enough talent to give us something credible and something enjoyable. Our football circles nim. Kudus on sign. Sebe. Abrofo no mo use no obono. Omo nye nkofo o ma nwa say yo. Omo ni da hopo mo nim. So if Kudus is able to play and excel, especially in competitions like the Champions League, obeka chem say wa sentiment mo blasters ni bio. Me say fundamentals sports. Na yam fa hye pa engu akwa mu a even good players will be made to look average. Messi no mba Argentina. No mo nko World Cup in film. Omo hye nyoma here no
retire omo biem. Omo
sanko. What is happening? I'm telling you for a fact. Yes, some ebetimi dey di agros ebetimi ato ntesukoko dey go amanfo so anyway. If we don't address issues properly. Ebedi ya nkasi enya.
Wo Mike, me that say me ban na polo or quick. Na ma be family course and friend for bebem CCA. Wo Bafu Polo, ma men kan fo ayen in Sanu adwuma and so e ma Bafu Polo e use African print. Ano de pam tade ma mema ene man ti so we bema wo your bar. Now be so she Bafu Polo atade ni be a place. Wo order before 10 o'clock anopa. Na just about the close of that same day on sabeka eye watade wan nya na sa time na so agisa de tia. Ana benya dodo bi a mo be sa moto companies and institutions and just more chenchen more pen to dom ni na mo benya bi ato Buffalo Classics na so lapel tops and then down FA and afi kaftan on so no wo twa come anti wo hwea baby out me ewura kokodu dwumadie ahenema kokoben ura ni cho boase kwan so ho ana Buffalo Polo ewo 0249 600789 Quality Dental Clinic also kwa one by a crown and a bridges amount was sent NCCA obese CA obeso a cleaning and a polishing a teeth whitening and a simple kakanaba and one about tokro or cinema no quality kebe silina fe omo nimonyam and o confidence level and so up again to a problem our numa quality kase bra patase womo ewo amaka trajman building emo womo ben Vegas 0538250078 Liberty Conference Ebaso way October edition na Unchained and on air assembly at 1625 Elko 26 and Isaiah 1027 and on my ministries and food for thought akabum assembly edia free Georgia J Minister SK from Paul and a Minister Kwame Jedu omunyina ba 26th of this month anopano 6 o'clock foundation na manioma enya fine and from Apollo ayentiwe
mini ameda senior kwanya de amame fabulous the best fabulous the greatest fabulous see more day and more damper mini anopa me bana Ascorima Pola stop or barbering shop or Haggis and a barbering shop. Highest or Biamuku and a man for drivers limit phone in a program no. Mammy Mo Mabaso, highest a barbering shop, Yadamasipani, Jumapa Mudio. Chairman, Namia Duma, Yejina Kono Sunday. The problem Nina, ye me supporters. Mestre said Yamuyan Dada na. Yesterday league, my am and I have fair. You're the boss in the Siwa, a young man. Me say last match a boy idea na ye free bus. He say am for chassis frame me pole nyambo Sunday so ye free me pamuchew Sunday dey dey free. E ye ukọ no ba sister city na u take it is account na madaroma mun send the scan e ma Patrick Adu say Asante Region Secretary Vice Chairman Mr. Mo obi ansani ni sister city manu. Ne number no e 0244 5491 98 0244 549198 na kotoko jesi ni nso aba ebi na hye sa wo pese wo gyan wo de na wo hye na ball na fite wo kama menua colors mienu ni nyina available mimi pole mi ton bi me number is 020500 913079 na waje wo de FFF menua wo
pole mate mrenim medase pi wo yemfa course 0551931931 0548931931 hello caller
hello sport god